Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to show you how you can fry some springy and also beehoon that doesn't break. Okay, so I have 3 to 4 pieces of beehoon here, and then I have some shallots, sliced shallot, and also dried shrimp. These two are the most important flavor to give it some basic aroma for the beehoon later. And I have some veggie. You can use any veggie you like. I'm using some cabbage today, slice. So this dish only have 2 steps, very easy. The first step is to blanch the beehoon. The second step is to fry it. Before you blanch your beehoon, get ready a container at the side. Later, we are going to use it. Firstly, get ready some boiling water here. Give a little bit of oil. And we shall blanch the beehoon for exactly 60 seconds. This is a method most Taiwanese will be using, yeah, which I actually find it the most effective in order to get the springy texture. All right, this is exactly 60 seconds. So now I'm going to move the beehoon over to the container I prepared at the side and let it to continue cooking using its residual heat. And we shall cover it with a lid and let's set it aside. Right, we can start frying the beehoon. Let's give it a little bit of oil here and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the dried shrimp and also shallot. We're going to saute it for a while before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Let's try to brown especially the shallot a little bit. So this is after about 1 minute sauteing. I can really smell the fragrance now. Now we are going to put in the veggie. You can put in some carrot also. Appa don't feel like cutting carrots today because 2 days ago when Appa's cutting carrot, I cut myself. So a bit carrot phobia. Turn down the fire a little bit, a bit too hot. Fragrant. Next thing, I'm going to put in some water. Not too much. You don't want your beehoon to be too soggy later. So now we are going to tune down the fire. I'm going to give it some seasoning. Let's start by adding a little bit of light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, more for the color, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Made of 100% natural ingredient, yeah? A little bit of salt. I don't mind giving a few dashes of white pepper right now. You can add in some oyster sauce if you like. If you ask me, that is optional. Now we can raise the heat a bit to medium or medium high. You can see the veggie has already softened. This is where we can get ready our beehoon. Put it in. Get ready a chopstick to help fry everything up. I find this is the best way. A chopstick on my right hand side, the spatula on my left hand side. So just make sure everything is nicely mixed together. All the beehoon is nicely coated with the sauce. And this is the time when I told you, don't make it too much water. If not, your beehoon can end up being soggy. Yeah? I feel a little bit dry. I think I will add a little bit more water here. I feel a little bit dry. I can feel it when I was stir frying. Light soy sauce and some dark soy sauce. Let me double check the angle. Okay. So the main reason why people's beehoon gets broken is because this step they fry too much, right? And they did not blanch the beehoon like what I did. What they did is actually they soak it under water. So that way, when the texture come out here, it will be actually, they need to actually stir fry this a lot more. So that is where the beehoon will break. See, my beehoon doesn't really break much, and basically it's already done. Once everything is nicely mixed together, it is done. And right before serving, I'm going to give a little bit of, you can use either garlic oil or sesame oil. I'm using garlic oil to give it some extra flavor right before serving. Alright, now I can feel the beehoon is soft enough. Done, good enough. That's how simple it is, and it's super fragrant right now. Alright, here's for Appa's very simple fried beehoon. Not done yet. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of fried shallot and also a bit of white pepper. Alright, done. That's how simple it is to make a very fluffy and a beehoon that doesn't break into small little pieces. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.